Hello, this is my screencast from my ITGS project. My candidate number is 067. I'd like to preface this recording by stating my website is a Web 2.0 site created with WordPress, as per requested by my client, specifically to make it easier for her to adjust the site herself. Accordingly, some of the advanced functions were provided by the site itself in the form of selecting several different options. For example, if you select a separate page from the home page, clicking on the header will direct you back to the home page. I enabled this by selecting an option that allowed me to do so. Continuing on, I'd like to highlight the main menu bar in which I customized using simple short CSS code. As shown here, this code alters the color, the background color of the menu bar. Furthermore, as one of my advanced techniques, I customized buttons in which lead to other pages of the site by using CSS to change the font family, as shown here, and appearance of such if you move the mouse over any particular subpage, as shown in Criterion E. And as you can tell, whichever page you're on, it highlights the page by darkening the letters. Moreover, I did the same for the slider. In this case, I created buttons that toggle from photo to photo apart from the automatic motion. As you can tell, you can click on any button and it will direct you to its respective photo. I would very much like to emphasize that below the main menu bar on the home page, I created the entire centerpiece other than this slider, in which I created using the plugin called Meta Slider in order to improve its functionality with either HTML or XAML code. I created the coral red border, as shown here, around the slider and around the text, using XAML, while the entirety of the text is HTML. Here's the code I used. Here's the code I used to do so. Just a little snippet of it. Below this, I created 3 simple widgets using the theme in order to effectively display my client's information throughout the site. I managed to provide the links to my client's social media right here in the form of buttons in the social menu right here. My client's Facebook and Instagram are linked. I'll show that it works to get there. Facebook and Instagram. Now I want to move to the Contact Me page, in which I'm already on right here, where I created a full contact form using the plugin 123 Contact Form. It requires the users both their first and last name, as shown here and here, their email, their phone number, and included there's a notes and how can I help you section, in which they can write a personal message to my client about having a session together. My client is a photographer, so possibly senior photos or family pictures. Lastly, I included a CAPTCHA in hopes to verify the user is not a bot. My client requested this, as she mentioned, in Criterion A because she wanted to create a better form of communication with potential clients rather than having her social media all clogged up. I can reassure you that this form sends an email to her business email, HillarySusanPhotography@gmail.com, as I have previously tested. I'd like to quickly point out that in the About Me section, this photo of the Kennebec River in central Maine, I used GIMP to adjust both the hue, the brightness, along with the light in order to create better contrast between these colors. So with the blues, make it brighter, just make it look all around better. And that would wrap up my screencast. As galleries are very basic, as she wanted, just a list of photos in each one. Thank you for your time.